Last episode, we got stranded in a sketchy part of Austin, Texas. A creepy guy kept staring us down until we approached, and he finally vaulted. We made it safe, and tomorrow we're headed to the Twisted Sisters. Finally made it to our hotel. That was really scary. Like John said, it's gonna quickly just go away. And by the time we kind of got on the road, 10 minutes out, the road started drying up. What's up, guys? We're here at
Katy, Texas.
Katy, Texas. We're about to go check out the
largest igloo cooler, which happens to be a home.
But I think they have the IGLOO factory here as well, and that's the reason why they have it here.
As a promotional tool.
We ended up getting in a little late.
Well, there was a thunderstorm that occupied about a half an hour of our time. Delay our expectations of ETA.
And we didn't look at the radar, and it was raining. So that's the thing about traveling on a motorcycle. You never know when it's gonna rain. Weather changes real quick. We're ready to head out to our next adventure. So we're gonna do the Twisted Sisters.
Hopefully get to Bandera and then do the Twisted Sisters, and then from there try and
head out west.
What we thought was a home was a guard shack.
We're here at the
IGLOO Factory. The company store consists of coolers and memorabilia. And from Katy, Texas, our goal is Bandera, Texas.
We've been so lazy today. It's so hot.
Flatonia, Texas.
It's 93
and
degrees.
We wanted to try and get out of the heat a bit, so we kind of like hid our bikes under the apron of this gas station and made use of the food facilities inside. And pretty much hung out here for like an hour. Not very productive, but it's hot as hell out here.
Alright, we're gonna go. We're trying this ice on the fairing thing.
So we decided to put bags of ice on the handlebar, poke some holes, and allow the cold water to trickle over our body to keep us cool.
And then,
I could probably even pull out the...
It's 94 degrees, but it supposedly feels like 97, and when you're in the dry heat, no relief. Cooler is definitely blowing.
Mine's on, and mine only comes on when the normal factory fan that I had installed doesn't meet the capacity of needs. Then the ultra cool comes on, but like it's so hot, it's just like instantaneously on. And after making it to Bandera, Texas, I picked up some highway pegs for Honey so she could relax her feet and extend them out while on long stretches of road.
What's up, guys? We're here at
Medina, Texas.
So are you excited to take on the Twisted Sisters?
I am eager to see what this is all about. I mean, I've seen maps and some video footage, so I'm waiting to see how this compares to Needle Highway in South Dakota.
I agree. All right, let's go.
The Twisted Sisters is a network of ranch roads located in the hill country of Texas, starting with 337, 335, finished up by 336, with a total loop of all sisters, 131 miles.
Located on the west side of Leakey, Texas on 337 is Frio Canyon Motorcycle Stop. Now this is the ultimate stop. Not only can you get souvenirs and all the memorabilia you'll need here at the Twisted Sisters, it also is a great pit stop for food and drinks. here at Twisted Sisters. Finished it. It is freaking hot. We have to abort and we have to go up north because this is too hot.
We had plans to go across the desert to Arizona, but due to the extreme heat, we decided to head north towards the Rockies.
Alright guys, we're on our second round of ice. We just put it on there and it's already melting. Honestly, I have no fear in getting wet around here because you kind of just dry off. Whew.
While we were headed to Lubbock, Texas, I saw a storm on the horizon and figured it'd probably be a good thing to do is pull over, check the radar, and figure out which way we should go to get around it.
So right now Dawn is looking for another direction. That storm is coming in. From what he's saying is severe thunderstorm until 10 p.m. and right now it's 7. We're planning on heading to Lubbock and going to the belly of the beast. I don't want to repeat Houston, lightning and thunderstorm. And we can ride through rain. There's lightning and thunderstorm. It's like next level and I'd like to avoid that. What I'm trying to say is there's only one gas station, a few silos, and then nothing but flat cotton fields to the horizon. No trees, no overpasses, no gas or shelter for miles and hours. We prepped for the rain, but the wind's picking up, and out here, you're on your own.
Thank you so much for watching the video to the very end. If you liked our content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and the bell for future notifications on videos.